What's up, everybody? Today Duke and I are making a banana smoothie. And the first ingredient that we have to put in is ice.
I thought it was going to be bananas because, well, obviously bananas are nutritious.
I know, but that's going to be blended first.
Okay.
Then it's the ice.
Okay. Also, just so you know, this smoothie is very healthy for you. If you want to be healthy, drink these.
Where did you guys run across banana smoothies?
Costa Rica.
No, I almost got it.
Okay, leave it alone. Gronk will take care of it.
Yeah.
So go ahead. Now, in Costa Rica, when you've had these,
Yeah, we were actually in Costa Rica, Montezuma. Manuel Antonio. Oh, that place, Costa Rica, you need to learn Spanish. First, you need to learn Spanish because
you don't need to learn Spanish to go.
well, if you want to speak, if you don't know anyone and you want to make friends there who actually speak Spanish, then you need to learn Spanish.
Yes,
And it's also a good way to learn. Yeah. They can teach you because they're also taught to learn English.
Excuse me, but can you get me a knife?
I think you're okay without a knife. I think you've got this.
Oh.
Bananas are pretty easy.
Peel. We just need to peel.
Yeah.
Can you just smash
Good.
Okay.
Can you smash it?
So one of the things to note is that most restaurants in Costa Rica do make fruit smoothies, and
strawberry and banana.
You guys
can't just here. You don't have to do this with just this. Just bananas, and you can use them just a regular blender. This is the Nutri Ninja.
Jackie, she always.
So something to note is that you can use other fruits. You may have to adjust how much water you use. If the fruit is thicker, you might use less water. If the fruit is a thinner fruit, you might use little or no water.
I didn't know that we were only using 2, but I'm guessing that wouldn't be enough. I'm just saying.
So all you need is bananas, ice, and water.
Yep, which this is actually really good.
The bananas past the max fill.
Also, if you want to get the red banana smoothies, you could actually see if you live in a state with bananas, like how I said in the last video. Well, when we were making banana bread, I said if you have bananas, if you
live in a place with bananas, then you can
pick them off a tree. If you live near big banana trees.
Do you need a little house?
Because then that would just be so cool. Because we don't live in a state with banana trees. We live in Arizona, which is really hot.
It's called burn oven.
Yeah, this state is actually called the burning oven. You better plug up your ears.
Hold on.
Wait, shake it. There's still some stuff inside.
Okay. Hold on. I still hear
This is Wait a minute.
All right, guys, I think you got it. I feel like you're good.
Stuff.
Okay, so what are you guys gonna pour those in? Some little Moscow Mule cups. All right, those will keep it cold, and then you have your reusable straws, which are also important.
They're made out of copper too.
Okay, so go ahead and pour your bevy.
Jack, let me get this. Put that off to the side. Where I keep getting these paper towels is right over here.
There's one bad thing about the smoothie stuff.
What? What is it?
There's no bowl to lick.
That is true. That's rough.
Yeah.
All right, so let's go ahead and we will show the finished product at the end here, but they're really easy to make. You kind of just work with the consistency, more ice or less water or more fruit, but they are a hit, and it's just water and fruit.
Ow, my teeth. Too.
right, everybody happy?
Mm-hmm.